Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Monica of Million Monica over on the Poshmark app where I'm a full-time seller. And today I'm introducing you to my Poshmark room. So behind me is kind of my desk area in my Posh room. It has kind of my shipping label printing area. There's just some other shipping supplies that you can see here. And today we have Millie with us. So if you're not familiar with me and my channel, Millie is the mannequin. She and I model most of the clothing that I sell over on Poshmark. And today's video is an unboxing video. So it's a kind of mystery box unboxing. And so if you are interested in this type of content, if you like the idea of making money online, please go ahead and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And of course, give this video a thumbs up on your way out if you enjoyed it. That helps me know that I should be making more content like this. And so let's talk a little bit about mystery boxes, reseller mystery boxes. Personally, this is the first one I've unboxed here on YouTube. And I've actually only purchased 2 mystery boxes ever, and that is basically because I really like knowing where my sourcing money is going, and I don't want to be disappointed. I don't want to feel regret in buying a box and spending money and investing in a box that is going to be full of trash. So that said, I did purchase one, and there is definitely some reasons to why I purchased this exact box, and I'll talk about that. There's definitely advantages of buying reseller mystery boxes, and I believe that's why people do it. Maybe they really like the element of surprise, but I think more so, most people who buy these boxes, you know, they do it to save time. Especially sourcing can take quite a while. It can be quite time consuming. It can take gas money, travel time, all of that. So there really is a place for these types of boxes. I personally live in a metro area. There are a lot of sourcing opportunities around me. I don't have any children. My husband works a lot, and so I don't have a lot of constraints on my time when it comes to sourcing. I have the ability to go when I need to go or when I want to go, and I don't really need to buy these mystery boxes, but there's definitely a place for them. Now, that said, I purchased this one from a seller that I know personally, Amanda, the Spotted Sparrow on Instagram, or Spotted Sparrow on Poshmark. Now, I have purchased from her before, and I feel like I know the quality of the items that she has available, and I know that I can trust her as a seller. And I feel like for me personally, when it comes to purchasing these types of boxes, trust is a huge factor for me. I don't really trust ThredUp mystery boxes or the ThredUp rescue boxes. I have seen so many bad unboxings to the number of good ones. So, and then as far as like buying from a seller that I don't really know, that doesn't make me feel comfortable. So I did feel very comfortable in purchasing this box from Amanda. But another reason I felt so comfortable in buying this box is how she went about like marketing the boxes, I guess you could say. She kind of labeled these as kind of the not so mystery box, or like the anti-mystery box. And what that basically is she took a photo of the items like all together. So there's one photo, and then she described them. So she let the potential buyers know, in this case me, know that there was going to be 2 dresses and 3 tops. She also said they were all a size small, which we'll talk about that in a little bit. And then she also laid out the brands. So in this box, she said that the brands were going to be Rebecca Minkoff, Banana Republic, Ann Taylor, Paper Moon, which is a Stitch Fix brand, I believe, and then Jade Melody Tam, which that is the only brand that I've never sourced. I'm not very familiar with. So that really helped me decide, okay, this is a box that I can stand behind, that I'm not going to feel disappointed in, because I have a picture with kind of the fabrics, the colors, and then I knew the brands. So how much was this box? So this box cost $25 plus shipping, so a total of $31.79. I live in Minnesota, which there is no clothing tax, so I did not pay tax on this box. So my average cost per item came down to $6.36, which I personally would like to keep my total cost under $5. But I didn't have to pay for gas. I didn't have to spend the time sourcing these items. So I feel like that cost per item is pretty good. Now I did try to run comps on these items without having seen them, and so I'll get to the comps when I'm unboxing this, but I do also want to talk about the size. So they're all size small. Now most of you are probably cringing because oftentimes when I see people doing unboxings, they get really upset when there's a lot of small items, and I just purchased 5 small items. Well, I sell a lot of smalls. I am typically a size small myself, so if items are coming from my own personal closet, they're generally going to be a size small. But the other reason is I am maybe hoping to wear a couple of these items and then sell them when I'm done wearing them. And so I was perfectly okay with the fact that they were all a size small. So, and she also, in her description of this box, said there's no returns or exchanges, which Poshmark does not allow returns on mystery boxes. That is just like, they will refuse any case open for a mystery box, what I've been told anyway. And then she said there's no measurements. She did say that all items are in excellent condition, and she also said they're going to be packaged simple and shipped the same or next day. I will say I got this package super quickly. I think it was shipped the same day, and I had it within like a couple days. So I've been waiting to open it up. So I'll go through kind of what I think I'll get for each item as we go. All right, so just keep in mind there's only 5, so this will go pretty fast. The first is this dress. So remember, there's supposed to be 2 dresses. This is a really pretty fabric, I can already tell. And yeah, there we go. So it's kind of a pink, maybe tan color. This lighting's make it kind of hard to see. So this is the Jade Melody Tam dress, which is what I thought it would be, and it's a size small, of course. It has a back zipper, back invisible zip, and then it has this great like back detail. I feel like this could be worn a special occasion, or it could even be a career style dress. Sorry, I know the camera isn't positioned great, but it could be a career style dress, and maybe like just wear a cardigan over top of it. Now, when I looked up comps for this particular brand, comps were all over the place, ranging from like $8 to like $46. I am hoping to get around at least $25 for this dress. It is very beautiful, so hopefully around $25. And so yeah, that's the first dress. Next is this Rebecca Minkoff. I can just tell, like, I can identify all the items based on the one picture she had available. So that is awesome. Like, that is great. So here's the Rebecca Minkoff. It's this really pretty kind of floral, like watercolor almost design. It has a cold shoulder. That's really pretty. See, now I'm hoping like this would be something I would at least try to wear maybe once myself if there's an event. No pockets. That's not a deal breaker for me. It is kind of lower, kind of a V-neck, but it looks like there's these little clasps here that can kind of close it up a little bit. It's definitely more of a mini dress. Great condition. So there's the Rebecca Minkoff. And of course, comps varied for this as well. And so they were all over the place for Rebecca Minkoff dresses, and I'm hoping to get $30 to $35 at least. I might start it more at the $45 range if and when I decide to list it. This is super cute. Okay, love polka dots, as does Amanda, which doesn't surprise me why it would be in this box. So this is the Paper Moon, which again, I believe is a Stitch Fix brand, size small. And it has kind of this smocked shoulder detail, so I think it could be worn maybe like off the shoulder a little bit. Maybe I'll wear it in my next YouTube video. That would be fun. There's this cute little half sleeve, which I love. I love half sleeves because I'm always cold, and so when I go out somewhere to like a restaurant, like I would prefer to have some sort of sleeve. And then it has this like back tie detail. So this is definitely something that I'm going to try to wear at least a few times before I list it. So if you're wanting to buy it, just be a little patient. It will eventually be in my Poshmark closet, but not right away. Okay, so comps on this range from like on this brand, range from like $4 to like $25. So I'm gonna hope for maybe 15 eventually. Okay, next we have this Banana Republic top. Oh, this is cute. This is kind of edgy. Okay, so this is a size small. It is the older Banana Republic tag, but the sleeves here are like that faux leather. At least I think it's the faux leather. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about real leather. So, but it has this back keyhole detail, and it's just black, so of course you're not going to see much, but I really like that it's simple, but it has that nice kind of edgy detail. This would be a great career wear top, or just, you know, you wear it several different ways. So Banana Republic, this top could range greatly. I would expect maybe 10 to 25, start a little higher, maybe hope for 15 at least. And then here's the last piece. This is really pretty. I feel like my mom would like this. So I guess, Mom, if you're watching, you could leave me a comment. This is Aunt Taylor, size small. It's flowier. It's like a navy color, and it's a lacy front with kind of the eyelash lace at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's more of a dark navy. And then it's just kind of flowy. It's really pretty. Just hide my face there. It's really a pretty blouse. And I would definitely maybe start this a little bit higher, because it is definitely a great career wear piece. It could be. Sorry, I'm hiding my mouth. Probably can't hear me. But I would think that I could start this at like the a little over $30 range, and maybe at the the minimum expect 15 for this. So again, all these items are in great condition. I mean, just this quick look through, I don't see any flaws. I don't see any issues with any of these items. Honestly, they're even better than what I expected. But again, that trust level with Amanda as a seller, I purchased from her before, and I've never been let down. So overall, if I go with kind of the minimum of what I would expect from this box, I would see everything selling, and maybe for about like $100 total. If they were to sell for $100 total after Poshmark fees, they take 20%. I would be left with 80, and then 80 minus the $31.79 that I did spend, I would be left with a profit of about $48. But that's kind of what I took from the lower end of the comps. You know, I might make a little bit more, I might make a little bit less, and you might be thinking, well, that's not great based on what, you know, whatever you would expect. But keep in mind, like I said, I do want to wear a few of these items first, and I think that's great. And I think that's how she intended these boxes to be. I think she put them together thinking, you know, by size, that people could pick their size, wear the items, wear what they could, what they wanted, and then sell the rest. So I am extremely happy with this box. Again, I don't like taking a lot of risk on mystery boxes, so this box was ideal for me. I would love to know, though, from you, I would love to know about boxes that you've purchased that you have loved. I don't really care about the ones that were trash. I want to know what type of boxes, or who you bought the boxes from that were awesome, because I would be interested in doing more unboxings, again, from people that are trusted sellers. So let me know in the comments below if you have any trusted sellers for mystery boxes, and I will try to check them out. And I just appreciate you so much for watching this video and subscribing to this channel. And as always, I will see you next time.